Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Pretty excited, spring is on our way and we are just few weeks away from that. If you are following my channel for quite some time, you may already know that I am posting rose gardening guide for beginners, and today's video is also going to cover the same video series. So primarily I'm thinking to cover what is Floribunda roses and what is Grandiflora roses and what is hybrid tea and what is Polyanthus roses. So let's get into the video and learn little more about each of these categories with some examples so you can relate them when you are seeing these plants available in the garden center or online sites. Let me start with Polyanthus roses. Polyanthus rose bushes are usually smaller rose bushes and covered with just large clusters of small 1-inch size of blooms. And the Polyanthus rose bushes introduced or bred in 1873, and they are hardier and suitable for cold regions. And looks like Polyanthus rose bushes were born from the crossings of wild roses. The next thing I want to talk about is hybrid tea roses. Hybrid tea roses, it's probably the most recognized roses in the world. They are tall and upright growers and they grow 3 to 6 feet tall. They have really strong canes. They come in all varieties of colors. Their sturdy cane produces large bloom with pointed petal in the single cane, and you can cut the entire long stem and use them in the flower vase. It's the florist's most favorite. They are showy. It can be grown by beginners through master gardeners. Most of them are disease resistant. They boast large, perfectly formed, high-centered blooms on long, elegant stems. Only disadvantage that you should be aware is they are on the least side of hardy plants in the modern roses, and they have a high maintenance. The next one is Floribunda. They are hybrid of crossing Polyanthus and hybrid tea. Floribunda is a cluster flowering rose. They produce abundant flowers in a single or fully edible form of rose flowers. Blooms form in a large clusters, making ready-made bouquet on a single stem. They are excellent for cutting and they come in large array of colors and varies fragrance levels. Most of the varieties has wider open blooms as compared to hybrid tea roses. Floribunda's average bloom size is generally about 3.5 inches and they could be smaller down to 2 inches. The shrub Floribundas average up to about 3 feet in height and they grow bushier and look mostly rounded shape. The last one we are going to talk about is Grandiflora. It's a hybrid cultivar created by crossing Floribundas and hybrid tea roses. They are recognized for their larger single blooms on long stems. They grow up to 4 to 6 feet tall and used in cut arrangement. These plants can be planted as a focal point. The blooms are bigger than Floribunda roses and comes with many roses in single stem. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and learned little bit about what is Floribundas and what is Grandiflora and what is Polyanthus roses and what is hybrid tea roses. So I'll see you in another video. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and sharing it with your friends.